Hey, it's Brian Gambardella with MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to look at the Boston Whaler 380 Outrage 2024. So here at the back of the 380 Outrage, got a nice heavy door. This keeps children and pets in. Very good for any water that'll come up over the transom. You also have a nice freshwater shower to rinse off when you come in the boat. This shore power access just below the starboard gunnel here. And you've got nice wood finishes for your rod holders. Here in the access hatch, you've got storage for your 2 poles for your cockpit tables. They will go in these 2 receptacles here. And you've got nice access. You got your Westerbeek generator, all your bilge pumps, your raw water strainers, fire extinguishing equipment, and all your fresh water, your sinks, your wash downs, all of that plumbing is easily accessible in here. Here at the transom, you got a big live well. Keep all your fish and bait healthy and alive. You also have wonderful transom seating, which also doubles as storage for your dive ladder. Port and starboard side, very large fish boxes, fit plenty of tuna in here, any pelagic species or any inshore stuff. And again, on Whaler, all this nice heavy duty hardware, you'll see that throughout the boat. So coming behind the console here, you've got a nice teak table, cup holders, good for socializing or any tackle preparation you may need. Stows away nicely and becomes a good seat for when you're running. 3 rod holders on each side. Now coming to the port side here, you've got a storage compartment here with access to your coolant for the Westerbeek generator behind this hatch. You've got a raw water wash down right there to rinse off the deck when you're fishing. And a very large, heavy duty side boarding door. Up forward on the port side, you have another freshwater wash down here. You have a refrigerator and ice maker under the console. On the starboard side, you've got your battery switches and engine switches. Tackle storage, 3 drawers here. And port and starboard side, you have these nice trolling seats to keep watch of your lines while you're running. So here we are down in the cabin of the 380 Outrage. So on your port side, you have a cabinet here, more jail audio controls, and you have your toggle for your Westerbeek generator. Your HVAC controls, 2 light switches, your circuitry for shore power and generator. Very easy access going in and out of the boat, easy to get to. Rod holders here, so storage inside if you don't want them exposed to the elements. Simple storage here. You've got 2 pivotable push LED spotlights up here. On the starboard side, you have a microwave that stows behind a cabinet. A nice freshwater sink with more storage below. Down below on the floor, you have access to your shower sump and AC condenser bilge pump, and then your just most forward bilge pump here. Underneath your center cushion, you have access to your hot water heater. Now this forward cushion area, it could be a little table if you want to sit here and converse, little cup holders here. And when it's time to take a rest, you simply Fold that back. Now you can comfortably fit 2 adults easily. Working our way to the head. It is a wet head, but you do have a wand and a nice towel holder. A nice feature of the Helm here, you have this standing pad. Brings it about 6 inches off the floor. Covered in nice synthetic teak, sea deck. You got plenty of storage under here. And for your passengers on the port side, you have a nice footrest there. And coming up to the helm, you got dual Simrad screens, air conditioning, a vent in the forward window that is electrically actuated, Mercury throttle controls with joystick, and you got these nice magnetic covers from Simrad here. So these will help the screens on the sunny days not to get too hot, and they're very easy attached just like that. Working our way to the bow, large sun pad seating up here. Very nice, comfortable area. You got more audio controls here, JL audio, an electronic bow table. So this bow table will recess fully into the floor for fishing purposes. Can raise up midway to act as a large sun pad, or it can come up above knee height to act as a table. Underneath our pad here, you have lots of storage. Now this is drainable storage. If you're interested in this 2024 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage, contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.